You can expect a lot from the 2015 Toyota Tacoma. This 4-door, 5-passenger truck still has less than 45,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, a rear step bumper, skid plates, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.